The Garmin Fenix series has long been synonymous with rugged durability and advanced features tailored for outdoor enthusiasts and athletes. With the anticipated release of the Fenix 8 Pro, Garmin aims to redefine the multisport smartwatch landscape, integrating cutting-edge technology and design enhancements that promise to elevate user experience to unprecedented heights. Design evolution, merging durability with elegance. The Fenix 8 Pro continues Garmin's tradition of robust construction, featuring a reinforced polymer case with a metal rear cover. Premium options include titanium bezels and sapphire crystal glass, enhancing both durability and scratch resistance. The watch is available in 3 sizes: 43mm, 47mm, and 51mm, catering to a wide range of wrist sizes and preferences. A significant design upgrade is the introduction of a dynamic bezel, allowing users to interact with the watch by touching or sliding along the bezel, providing an additional input method alongside the traditional buttons. This innovation enhances user interaction, making navigation more intuitive and responsive. Display technology, AMOLED and micro-LED advancements. Garmin offers 2 display options for the Fenix 8 Pro, AMOLED and micro-LED. The AMOLED display provides vibrant colors and deep blacks, ensuring excellent visibility even in direct sunlight. The micro-LED option offers superior brightness, enhanced contrast, and lower power consumption, making it ideal for extended outdoor adventures. Both display types are complemented by improved screen protection, including scratch-resistant sapphire or Gorilla Glass, ensuring longevity and clarity even under challenging conditions. Battery life, extended endurance for adventurers. Battery life remains a cornerstone of the Fenix series, and the Fenix 8 Pro is no exception. The watch boasts impressive battery performance, with up to 29 days in smartwatch mode and up to 84 hours in GPS-only mode. The introduction of solar charging capabilities further extends battery life, allowing users to stay powered during extended expeditions. The new Endurance GPS mode balances accuracy and power consumption, providing ultra-long activity tracking without compromising performance. Advanced health and fitness features. The Fenix 8 Pro is equipped with Garmin's latest Elevate Gen 5 heart rate sensor, offering improved accuracy and responsiveness compared to its predecessor. This sensor enables advanced health monitoring features, including heart rate variability tracking, blood oxygen saturation levels, and sleep analysis. A standout addition is the ECG functionality, allowing users to monitor heart rhythms and detect potential irregularities. This feature provides valuable insights into cardiovascular health, complementing the watch's comprehensive health tracking capabilities. Navigation and mapping, enhanced outdoor exploration. Garmin has significantly improved the mapping and navigation capabilities of the Fenix 8 Pro. The watch now features built-in global topographical maps with new 3D terrain visualization, allowing users to better understand elevation changes and route difficulty. The integration of multiband GNSS technology ensures accurate positioning, even in challenging environments like dense forests or urban canyons. The new dynamic mapping engine offers faster rendering and smarter route suggestions based on terrain difficulty, enhancing the overall navigation experience. Smart features, seamless integration with daily life. Beyond its outdoor prowess, the Fenix 8 Pro integrates seamlessly into daily life with smart features such as built-in voice assistant access, contactless payments, and music storage. The watch supports offline maps and third-party app integration, providing users with a comprehensive smartwatch experience. The introduction of wireless charging eliminates the need for proprietary charging cables, offering a convenient and efficient charging solution. Pricing and availability, investing in premium performance. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is positioned as a premium multisport smartwatch, with pricing reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. The base model starts at $999.99, with higher-end configurations, including titanium bezels and solar charging, reaching up to $1,199.99. While the price point may be higher than some competitors, the Fenix 8 Pro's durability, advanced features, and long battery life justify the investment for serious athletes and outdoor enthusiasts. Conclusion: a game-changer in multisport smartwatches. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro represents a significant leap forward in multisport smartwatch technology, combining rugged durability with advanced features and seamless smart integration. Whether you're an elite athlete, an outdoor adventurer, or someone seeking a reliable and feature-rich smartwatch, the Fenix 8 Pro offers a compelling solution that meets the demands of diverse lifestyles and activities.